So let's say that you're engaged with a conversational agent, either on a flat screen or immersive. So let's say that a third party, like a corporation, wants to influence you on behalf of a paying sponsor. What will they do? Well, they'll inject an influence agenda to the AI, and this agenda will be handled in real time by the AI itself. A conversational agent is going to impart targeted influence by crafting a conversational pitch for you, custom generated, based on what it knows about you. It will then observe your reaction in real time, what you say, your facial expressions, how you act, how you look, to sense how well did its targeted influence work, and then it will adapt its influence tactics in real time. It will work to overcome your reactions, your objections, to increase its persuasive impact. And this will be a loop. It will update its influence. It will try different tactics. It will see how this tactic works. And so it will basically be able to talk you into ideas that maybe you would otherwise not accept, or talk you into products you wouldn't ordinarily buy. And this type of loop in control theory is called a feedback loop, and it's used to optimize the influence of any system. But in this case, with AI-powered conversational agents, the system being optimized is you. And so the AI manipulation problem says that conversational AI through agents are going to enable targeted, customized, interactive, and adaptive influence at scale, aimed at individuals personally. It will optimize what it says to home in on the most effective arguments for you. It will optimize how it says it, adjust its style, tone, tactics to best influence you. It will optimize who says it. Its voice and persona will be chosen. What appears to you and what speaks to you, its age, gender, race, look, will be chosen to be potentially most effective on you based on what the data says about you. And again, this is why AI-powered conversational agents potentially become the most powerful technology of persuasion we've ever faced. And when that's combined with immersive visuals that look photorealistic, we will be outmatched. And we have to realize that these agents will become photorealistic. Photorealistic AI-powered avatars that look and sound real, they're going to build familiarity with us, trust with us, empathy. If it looks human and it acts human and it looks like it's empathetic, it looks like it cares about us, we will feel that, even though it's not real. It's a facade, it's computer generated, which is why I say we will be outmatched. AI-powered conversational influence is an asymmetric battle against humans. And let's look at that in a little bit more detail. Virtual spokespeople as asymmetric influence. First, there's familiarity asymmetry. The AI will know your interests, your values, your education, your income, your political affiliation, your favorite teams and movies. It'll use that in the conversation, talking about your team to ease you in conversation. You will know nothing about the entity that you're talking to. A salesperson, you can size up, you can know something about them. You will know nothing about the AI agent that you're talking to, because it will appear the way they want it to appear to maximize your trust and maximize your belief that it's acting in your best interest. Reaction asymmetry. The AI will be able to read you from your real-time reactions, your words, your vocal inflections, facial expressions, posture, pupil dilation. You will be able to read nothing from the AI that you're talking to. A human salesperson, you can size them up. You say, oh, do they seem trustworthy? Do they seem genuine? Like, you're pretty good at doing that. This AI agent is a facade. It will appear very trustworthy, but it's not real. You will have no way to read what its intentions are, what its emotions are, and that's a huge disadvantage. And then continuity asymmetry. This AI will model you over time. Interaction after interaction after interaction. You might think you're interacting with different salespeople or AI agents, but it's all feeding potentially the same database. So it will learn everything about you. You will learn nothing about the AI agent that you're interacting with. You won't be able to say, oh, I remember how this agent acted last time, or I know that this salesperson is pushy, because the next time it will just look different and you'll be completely disarmed. So again, asymmetric battle. If we don't put regulation in place, these trillion-dollar companies will not just be making their entire revenue stream on selling targeted influence. They'll be selling conversational, interactive, adaptive influence. And once they go down that path, it will be very hard to turn it back. But if we put regulation in place now that says, you know what, you can't do that. You can't close a feedback loop around people interactively in real time as to optimize influence, you should compete on different fronts, not to compete on who can create the most superhuman levels of persuasion and manipulation, which is where they will go unless it's banned. Again, I'm Louis Rosenberg. My new book is Our Next Reality. All of this stuff is covered in the book in really great detail if this is of interest to you. Thanks.